Hey, this beautiful melon. Can't wait for it to ready. So beautiful. It's coming along nicely. That's the melon. And the corn. This garden is beautiful. Look at this big corn. This big corn, this big corn. Yeah. Can't wait for it to get fully fit to devour. Welcome in, welcome in. Who is on my live? Just a short live. Just showing you what's going on here. Let me see this pumpkin again. Where is it? Is it gone? Oh no, it's right up here. This pumpkin, guys. This pumpkin. This pumpkin. Oh my goodness, look at it. Coming on nicely. And it's getting that pumpkin color. Yes, that's real pumpkin color. Lazy bee. Lazy, I'm in New York. I'm in foreign land. Look at the tomatoes coming here too. Tomatoes coming. Share the live, Lizzie. Welcome in. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much. Yes. Yes, this pumpkin, look at it. Getting nicely yellow for Halloween. Yes. And it's so big and it's still not ready, I was told, until it's fully yellow or orange. Orange, yes. 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 And I hope you saw the corn that I was showing you and the melon. Yes. This garden is full of things. It have flowers and it have things to eat also. So look at these beautiful flowers. Look at them. I forgot what the name I think is. I don't remember. I'm not going to say it because I really don't remember. Welcome in, guys. And look at this corn. Sweet corn. Sweet corn, yeah. Sweet corn. Hey, Penny! Penny is on my life for the first time. Welcome in, Penny. Happy to have you on my live. Look what retirement does. Yes, welcome in, welcome in. Yes, what's the corn? Nice sweet corn. Yes, coming along nicely. And I was also showing this melon. This nice melon coming along nicely too. Yeah, yeah. So it's a garden, flowers garden with fruits. Yes, nice fruits. Yeah. But she not get away. The sister not getting away from the insect or whatever it is. They are eating up the leaves and stuff. Yeah, so that is one of the things that is giving trouble around here. Maybe I think it's rabbit. I saw a rabbit. Yes. Yes, guys. So it's a beautiful, not so beautiful day. It's kind of overcast because it's rained yesterday. Retirement is sweet talk to company. I'm happy you're enjoying it, my dear. Yes, it's the leaves. See it? Yeah, the leaves. The rabbit and whatever it is giving trouble in this garden. Yeah, but it's nice. It's nice overall. And my sister single-handedly did all of this. She's good at outdoor things like these. Not me, right? Yeah. Nice, beautiful flowers. So you guys been doing? Penny, what's happening? Are you having rain and thunderstorm like us? We had thunderstorm and it was really bad. It leaked out all the light, water, everything. First me ever experienced thunderstorm that way. Yeah, the thunder was rolling. When I hear talk about thunderstorm, the thunder was playing music with the wind and the rain. Yeah, it was crazy. Some persons said they have hail, but I don't really see that. Or maybe it happened in the night when we're sleeping. But yeah, the weather is giving us. It happened not last night, the night before. But we had raining last night. So, never know so light would have gone a foreign country. Here, my niece would say, "Welcome to foreign, auntie." Jada the easy. Jada said, "Welcome to foreign, auntie," in a Jamaican dialect, patois. That was so funny. But yeah. Inside, so it's nice and cool. We had some showers yesterday after. Okay, nice. Nice. She's back? Is she back? Is she back? Awesome. Lizzie, me say, my sister say, my niece say, "Welcome to foreign, auntie." No, sir. Jada not easy. Yeah. So it's have to leave you guys. Cause my sister coming now. So we are going to hit the road. Yes. Yep. Yeah. But it's nice and cool so far. Nice and cool. Yeah. Is she ready? We are going to hit the roads. So yes, so it was, as I said, was a quick live. It's not a long live. It's a quick one to show you this beautiful pumpkin and the beautiful melon. Beautiful pumpkin and beautiful melon. Oh, she came back. Yeah, I'll say hi for you, Penny. Oh, she's back. Tell her welcome back home, even though I'm not home. But tell her welcome back. Yeah. Yes, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful garden. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, this looks nice. This looks nice, like it's not real. Look at it. It's nice. No, me on the live. Yes, this is beautiful. You ready? Okay. It's a beautiful tree. Penny say your garden is like my mom's, very fruitful. Yeah, very fruitful, and the garden is different from the part where the farm. I have a video that I put up. I show the farm with the potato, with bitter melon, and hot pepper. Yeah. Yeah. She's blessing that way. Yes, she's in Jamaica. She went back down last week. She and baby. They are doing fine. Baby had to go back to school. So, yeah. They are fine. Yeah. They left me one to face the cold and the rain and the hail and the stuff. Yeah. But I'm trying to get used to it. Yeah. Jesus, Penny Nabara tell me. Penny Nabara tell me. Jesus, breadfruit Nabara tell me. But I got to go now, so I'll come back later if anything on the live. Glad to see Penny on the live. I'm happy that you caught one of my live. It's good. Yeah. I haven't done one in a long time, but yes, thank you. And Lizzie, thank you so much for joining. Yeah. Yep. Thank you so much, Lizzie, for joining, and Penny also. I know you're going to share this live. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Yes, man, I sent Paula some photo and she's jealous. Yes, me jealous too. So see you guys later. I'm signing out. All right. Bye. Take care. Later, Penny.